Hi everybody, this is Patty and I am cooking a pot of rice and I'm going to show you how to cook good rice with every grain to itself. So what I have done, I've washed the rice, a cup of rice and 2 cups of water, and I'm going to let it come to a boil until it is done, and then I'll bring you back. I will strain it and rinse it, and I will let you see it's going to be soft with every grain to itself. It won't be like mushy because I don't like my rice that way. So I'll come right back. Just brought you in to see the rice. It is boiling and it's been boiling for about 15 minutes. It's going to boil for roughly 20 minutes and it should be done, but I'll bring you back. Okay, I brought you in to see the rice and here it is. I'm going to put it on the stove and let it steam. I've rinsed it off and I have water in this pot and I'm going to let it steam in the colander, and then I'll put it on the plate and let you see just how it looks. Okay, I'll pause. Okay, I have it on the stove steaming and I'm going to cover it over with a top. And when it's done steaming, I'll show you the end results of it. You can put it over butter over the rice. You can put gravy over it or however you would like to eat it. But this is how you do it. I used a cup of rice to 2 cups of water and brought it to a boil for about 20 minutes. You can use 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water if you need more. But this is the way I cook rice. A lot of times you can cook rice different ways. You can let all the water boil out and just cook it down, you know, until it's done that way. Then you can put your butter in it and whatever else you want to put in it, your pepper, your salt, and whatever. But this is one of the ways that I cook my rice. Oftentimes I'll drop a capful of vinegar in the water when it's boiling and about a tablespoon or a teaspoon of oil, and the oil keeps it separated and the vinegar keeps it from boiling over. So I didn't do that this time. I just started boiling it, and this is what I have, and I'll be right back. Y'all, here it is. And I've put butter on it, and I have some white pepper there and some salt, but this is the rice. And the rice that I use today is China doll, long grain, but I can cook any kind of rice. It's you know, it will be just fine. And see that? Perfectly cooked rice. With butter. I love it like that. See y'all? Okay.